Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's short video, I will be teaching you how to adjust the center back to fit the clasp you have at home. So let's talk about the clasp. On the center back, I will want my fabric to be folded inside here, so I need a little bit extra length on my center back. So what I did is, from my original pattern, I extended 4 centimeters and I did a straight line, and that's this one here. Then I found the middle, ignore the seam allowances, find the middle of your pattern and do a perpendicular line to your center back, which is this line over here. And then I measured my clasp, which is 5 centimeters, which I believe it's 2 inches, but I will check and include it on the notes on the video. And then from here upwards, I placed half, and here another half. So from here to here, I have my 5, which is the measurement that I have inside here of my clasp. So now that I have this point here and this one here, I did a slight curve here, coming from the original line to the point, to the new point, and I also did a line coming towards my new point. And then I added the seam allowance on the top here and on the lower part here. The seam allowance is 0.8 for the bikini. Let me check. Yes. And on the lower part here, I have 1.2 seam allowance, which is fine. I'm gonna keep the seam allowances as they were. And at this point here, I will not do another seam allowance, just because I have already extended 4 centimeters from my original pattern to my new center back piece. And this is that simple. Now I'm just going to cut on my seam allowance, so here and here, and I will have my new back for the snowflake bikini, which we are going to sew today using this beautiful fabric from Spoonflower.